I tried Rabby Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I decided to try the Rabby Wallet app for 7 days, I honestly didn't expect much. It's not as famous as MetaMask, but the shocking truth? Rabby might actually be the upgrade the crypto world has been waiting for, especially for people tired of confusing wallet pop-ups and failed transactions. From day one, Rabby felt different. It's designed for Ethereum and even compatible chains, but it automatically detects which network your transaction belongs to. No more manual switching between Polygon, Arbitrum, or Ben chain. Rabby does it for you. That alone saved me a ton of time. Most people get this wrong. They assume all wallets are the same. But Rabby fixes problems that have frustrated users for years. For example, when you connect to a new dApp, Rabby clearly shows what permissions you're granting, how much gas the transaction costs, and even simulates the outcome before you approve it. That transparency is huge for avoiding scams or mistaken swaps. During my week of testing, I connected Rabby to several DeFi platforms and Lyft marketplaces. Every connection was smooth, and transaction confirmations were faster than MetaMask's in my experience. Plus, Rabby stores your keys locally, meaning you have complete self-custody, no centralized servers, no risk of remote access. The interface is sleek and modern, with color-coded prompts that guide you through each step. And here's something I didn't expect. Rabby also supports hardware wallets like Ledger, giving you an extra layer of protection if you're holding large amounts of crypto. By the end of my 7-day test, the shocking truth was clear. Rabby Wallet isn't trying to replace MetaMask. It's redefining what a crypto wallet should feel like: smart, secure, and transparent. If you're tired of clunky transactions or hidden risks, Rabby might just be your new favorite wallet.